Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm gonna create this this weird shape of cabinet, okay, in the kitchen. Okay, just see, you see the shape, right? It's a bit different, okay. So like this, okay. Follow me. We just click this one first, If you got a weird shape, then you can use this button, this method. Others, special board. Others. Select this one, super plate. Okay, drag out the super plate. Okay, so I roughly change the size or the Y. I should put 1200. Okay, this one the Y is 550. Okay, I change the Y to 550 also. 550. Okay. Okay. Then I'm gonna click this button B board selection. Click on this one. Right click. So come to panel point editing. Okay, so as you can see, the board is something like this. Okay, okay, this one is the 12. Okay, so we're gonna delete the board first. Okay, and draw one by ourselves, or follow something like this, or follow something like this. Okay, so we click draw, then we draw here to here. And this one I give it half I think 550, almost 550. Yes, correct, 550. Then I come to here 600. Then 600 is here. Yeah, 600. I come back to here. This one I give it 300. Okay, 300. So I come back to here. Okay, so you got a banner like this. Then you save. Almost at the button. Okay. It. Okay, so set I should rotate it never mind. I do the opposite way. Okay, right click, panel point editing. Okay, do the opposite way. This one I delete first. Okay, do the opposite way here. Okay, free drawing here to here. This one 600. This one 300. Okay, then come back here. Come back here. Save. Return. Okay, so you see something like this. Okay, so simple. You just exit the board selection first, then click on here. Change the height. Okay, my cabinet height is 680. So I change it to 680. 680, enter. Okay, so you may see something like this, so the box. Okay, move up. Okay, something like this. After that, you just add the door, or like I told you, add the door. Okay. Okay, so after that, you may need to put the door, right? Door you can find from special board. Then you can find maybe others. Others, I see. Let me see. Something like this. Fake door. Okay, so you just drag the fake door. So change the size. As you know, this one is 600, so I change it to 600. Okay, then I'll move it. Move it here. Okay, move it here. Okay, move it here also can. Then you change the size. Change the distance. This one is 550 or this be, you know, your this one called Control Z. Okay, then you press Z. Okay, you can press Z to move it. Okay, Z to move it. Okay, so it's not different to the door. For this one, same law. You just drag out your. Where is the door? Fake door. Fake door. Drag out. Then change the size. This one should be give it more 50 50. Okay, then I'm gonna move it back. Okay, move it this, or move it like this. Okay, move it like this. Hey, turn it, rotate it. Okay, rotate it. Then move it out. Okay, so you complete lah. Okay, thanks for watching, bye.